Hi guys, check this out. So we kind of caught a surprise this morning when our suppliers who delivered our stock over to the hotel directly, we kind of thought they were going to be assembled like this, and we started the registration. Look at the crowd over there. Yep, we kind of got people waiting, and so we've got our super elite SuperCrew team.
SuperCrew.
We've got Erica, we got Dawson, we got Ryan, we got Zoshao, we got Jasper, we got me. Yo. Hi. So
Magic
all
hands,
of us
magic
are
hands.
now trying to assemble walkie-talkie sets for not too many people. Only about
120.
How about that?
120 sets of this
Alright.
in the next, hopefully, 1 hour.
Alright.
Can we finish in an hour, guys?
Yes, we can.
Alright.
Magic hands, magic hands. Alright. Best of luck, guys.
And so if you enjoyed videos like this and some of my rants and opinions on Feng Shui and anything metaphysical, see the subscribe button on this video right now. Click on the subscribe. It's free anyway. You get videos every week. So click on this button and you get more of these videos.